Hello, my dear friend. My name is Anne, and I live in a little cottage in the countryside. Here on this channel, I'll share my daily life with you in simple English. This way, you can learn new words and improve your listening and speaking. Today, I'll tell you all about my cozy daily routine. After the story, I'll also give you some useful sentences you can repeat, sentences that people use every day. And then I'll share some ideas to help you talk about your own routine, too. Are you ready for a peaceful and cozy day with me? Let's begin. In the morning, I usually wake up around 7 o'clock. The birds sing outside my window, and the soft morning light enters my room. I stretch, open the window, and smell the fresh air. There's a vase with dried lavender on my nightstand and a candle that smells like vanilla and cinnamon. Then I go to the kitchen to make my breakfast. I light another candle on the table and play soft folk music in the background. Today, I make some toast with homemade strawberry jam and a cup of chamomile tea. While I eat, I read a few pages of my current book, Anne of Avonlea. I love how peaceful it feels. After breakfast, I water my plants and open the curtains to let the sunshine in. There are ivy plants near the window and tiny pots with rosemary, mint, and basil on the kitchen shelf. Around 9 a.m., I put on my boots and go outside to take care of my garden. I love gardening. It's my favorite part of the day. I pull some weeds, water the tomatoes, and pick fresh lettuce and carrots for lunch. Sometimes I talk to the birds and bees while I work. It's silly, but it makes me smile. In the afternoon, around 12:30, I prepare lunch. Today I make a simple vegetable soup with the fresh ingredients from my garden. I eat slowly at the wooden table by the window, watching the trees moving in the wind. After lunch, I wash the dishes and sweep the kitchen floor. Then I take a little break. I sit on my favorite armchair, put a soft blanket over my legs, and light the fireplace. I love to sit in front of it, listening to the crackling of the wood and feeling the warmth slowly fill the room. I drink a cup of coffee and read a few more pages of my book. In the evening, I usually work on a small project. Maybe I write in my journal, knit a few rows of a scarf, or organize the shelf near the fireplace. At 6:30 p.m., I have a light dinner, some cheese, bread, and fruit. I light fairy lights and listen to the sound of the wind outside. At around 9:30 p.m., I take a warm shower, wear my cozy pajamas, and sit by the window one last time before bed. I look at the stars and thank the day for all the small joys. Then I go to bed feeling peaceful and ready for tomorrow. Now, let's see some useful daily phrases and practice your speaking. Repeat each sentence slowly and clearly after me. 1. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. 2. I open the window and smell the fresh air. 3. I make some tea and toast for breakfast. 4. I read a few pages of my book. 5. I water my plants every morning. 6. I go to the garden and pick fresh vegetables. 7. I cook a simple lunch with what I picked. 8. I drink coffee and relax in the afternoon. 9. I light candles to make my home feel cozy. 10. I go to bed feeling peaceful and happy. You can replay this part and practice as many times as you like. Now it's your turn. Talk about your routine. Use these questions to help you talk about your own daily routine. Speak out loud. What time do you usually wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you have plants at home? How do you take care of them? Do you enjoy reading? What book are you reading now? What do you usually do in the afternoon? What do you cook for lunch or dinner? Do you light candles or play music to feel cozy at home? What's your favorite part of your day? Why? What do you do before going to bed? Do you like calm and slow days like this? Well, thank you for spending the day with me. I hope you enjoyed this cozy story and learned some new English words. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more episodes. See you next time, and remember, learning English can be warm, peaceful, and full of charm. Good night.